Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Salem FSX 290RTKX model. This is the Platinum Edition version. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what this toy hauler is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2023 Salem FSX here. And we're going to start actually back in the back of the RV, and then we'll kind of work our way forward. So let's go on back to the back section where our garage area is. All right, so kind of looking over here at the side, we have a window that opens. There is a vent on the top up there for venting out fumes. You have an entry-exit door back here. Does have the window and screen and everything in it. This one was also ordered with the 4-bunk system. So you have 2 lower bunks down here, and it's currently kind of set up in seat mode, but it will make into bed mode. And then I have 2 more bunks kind of folded up against the wall right there, out of the way. So you could sleep 4 people back here pretty comfortably if you want to. There is also some little storage trays underneath of there as well. And then you can see there's a table with fold up and down legs that you could set up here for dinette mode. Electric outlet and USB charger ports on each wall. And then you have your electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. That window over here does open as well. Kind of looking down the ceiling line here, you got a couple AC ducts, some lights, and also a skylight up here as well. Now there are 4 windows back here. You'll see those a little better from outside when we get out there, because right now the beds are kind of blocking them. But we also have a little patio area back here. Now, I did not put the screen wall up. It's laying on the couch over there, but it does have a magnetic connecting screen wall that you can set up if you want. Then you have prepping for that backup camera. You'll also notice a nice arch to the roof as well. Now looking back in here, you can see we had the swing entry-exit door over there on the left to get us in and out from the other parts of the RV. There's a heat duct down there, and you also have TV hookups back here as well, with a mount already on the wall. And then storage area over there with some cubbies, so you can stash some goodies over there, maybe some of the kids' clothes and toys. And then there's an inspection panel down there on the right as well. Going back up into the living room area, or toward the living room area here, on the right we have our bathroom area. So just kind of starting from the ground up. So we have a foot flush toilet, a little area there where you could maybe put a trash can and some storage underneath your sink. Nice size mirror, a little bit of shelf space over there. There is an AC duct in here as well. You got a vent fan and a skylight up above, ABS tub surround, pull across door as well. So basically step-in shower. Little window here in the hallway does open, and you also have a AC and furnace control right here as well. So kitchen-wise, we have single bowl sink, high-rise faucet there. The window behind the stove does open. You have a convection microwave down below so you can cook or microwave. 3-burner gas stovetop with the flip back glass lid, which kind of acts as a backsplash. There's a couple drawers that pull out down here as well. And then you also have some more storage space over here. Now your upper cabinets, kind of the same thing, decent amount of space over here. And there is a slide room control box up there as well. But plenty of room for your dishes and stuff to go up here. And there is a stereo system over here. And also on the side, this was ordered with solar. So you have your 30 amp solar charge controller here by Go Power. Slide button and awning button, some light switches, 12 volt tank heaters for cold weather camping, water heater button, water pump button, and your monitor panel buttons above. Up here you have prepping for King Wi-Fi Connect and also TV antenna and electric outlet, a mount for a TV there, USB charger ports, and electric outlets there. Some little bar stools going on here, so you could sit up here and eat if you need to. Couple speakers in the ceiling in here. You have your Coleman ducted AC here as well. Now on your slide out, you have your EverChill 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. There's some USB charger ports over there as well. You have a trifold sofa. This will flip out and make into a bed so two people could sleep here if they needed to. These windows back here also open. All vinyl floor throughout this section. Electric outlet, USB charger port on the side here. Window does open. We have hanging closet on each side. Goes back pretty deep. And then there's some overhead cabinet space. The bed will also raise up for some storage as well. And then at the foot of the bed, you have more TV hookups and stuff over here. AC duct up there as well. Now the bed pretty much comes right up against the wall, so there's not a whole lot of room to maneuver around in the bedroom. It's basically just kind of a little section here to kind of get up off the bed. Same thing over here. All right, guys, we're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick, and then we will come back in and close her up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Salem FSX 290RTKX Platinum version here. And we're gonna start here on the door side, kind of work our way around. So first things up, we have a gray fiberglass exterior. The fiberglass is part of that Platinum package. So instead of a metal sided version, we have a fiberglass sided version due to that Platinum package. You have a lower black metal skirting. You have deep tint safety glass windows. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, manual override in the front arm head, and again, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff. There is a pass-through storage compartment across the front section right here. Pretty good sized compartment. Looking down below here, you can see the quick drop jack. So you have a set of jacks on the front and also on the back. This unit also has a more ride entrance step on the front and back door. So those are rated for 500 pounds, come down, touch the ground, adjustable feet. They flip up inside the doorway when traveling. You have large folding entry handle on both entry doors, and as you can see, both entry doors do have windows in them as well. I almost forgot to mention, on that front corner right there, there is solar prep for a portable solar panel up to 20 amps that you could plug in right there. Say a Go Power or Zamp portable solar panel, for example. Plug it in right there and kind of juice up your stuff. Stove exhaust vent above the window there. The unit has 2 outdoor speakers. You have hot and cold outside utility shower, black tank flush, gravity fill fresh water tank fills up right here, and you also have a cold water spray port here as well. You have the furnace exhausting out right here, dump hose holder right down here, along with the fresh water tank drain as well. And then you also have a gas line hookup, so you could plug in your Suburban Elite Griddle series right here. And just down below there is also 2 hot and cold low point water drains. 110 volt mini fridge, and obviously that griddle. There's a 6-gallon water heater right here. You also have a cable outlet, and you have an electric outlet there as well, in case you wanted to put a TV outside here. Just to the top right of that window up there is one of your side vents. So if you're traveling with gasoline items in there, you are supposed to prop open a vent so that fumes don't build up inside the RV. The unit is a double axle unit, drum brakes, steel wheels, aluminum hub, or I'm sorry, easy loop hubs. So easy loop hubs, steel wheels, drum brakes, 12-volt brakes at that. So make sure you have a brake controller in your tow vehicle to operate the brakes properly. You seen when we were inside here, patio mode is down. This is what it kind of looks like from ground level. And again, you have that screen wall feature that you can put up, and you can walk off the back here if you get you a nice set of steps. Go right off the back there. It is prepped on the top up there for a rear observation camera by Furrion. So if you want a camera that will allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're traveling down the road or backing into a campsite, check out that Furrion camera. Again, it's pre-prepped for that. It's also prepped for the Lippert Stow and Go portable ladder. You can see that black rectangle up there. That is a telescoping ladder that you can buy. It telescopes up, hooks on right there, allowing you to get up and down on and off the roof for inspections. Cable inlet and the other side vent right here. Now this one was ordered with 50 amp electric service. It's got a detachable power cord. That cord looks to be probably about 25 or 30 feet long roughly. City water inlet right here. Step back so you can kind of see down the whole side of the RV here. Now just in front of your axles right here, you have your gray and black dump right here. So you want to pull your black first, get all the nasty out, then pull your gray next to rinse out your dump hose and stuff. And again, dump hose holder right there. A little bit of storage on this side. The slide out is prepped for Solaire slide toppers. That is an awning that rolls in and out with the slide room. So if that interests you, talk with your salesperson. It basically helps shade the room, repels a lot of leaves, twigs, debris, rainwater, and things like that. Your baggage doors, by the way, are held up by little magnetic holders. The other side of the storage compartment here. Now, real quick, just some important informational stickers here. So right here you have production date sticker. Has VIN number, production date, model number that we're looking at. Also has our gross vehicle weight on it. This is 10,020 pound gross weight. That's the most you can load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Now this one over here tells us our actual unloaded weight is 7,764 pounds when this rolled off the assembly line. Length, 36 feet 6 inches. Tire size, ST 225/75 R15 D-range tire with a 65 PSI cold rating. Make sure you check your tire pressure. That is very, very important. If you let the pressure drop too low, the tires can't hold the weight of the RV properly and are more likely to blow out. So keep up with your tire pressure. Now you can see the front of the RV here has a nice roll to the front of it. It's nicely bubbled out, so it's a little bit more aerodynamic than the old flat front RVs. Two 20-pound propane tanks under the hard bottle cover here. You have power tongue jack with a light built in, manual override. There's 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, battery disconnect right here, and room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back in behind there. But overall, a pretty nice, affordable toy hauler trailer with a slide here. All right, we're gonna head back inside. I wanna show you what it looks like closed real quick. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back up inside the new 2023 Salem 290 model here. And I just want to show you what it looks like kind of closed up here. So when you are ready to close it up, you have to come back in here to your control panel where your slide button is and basically hit the button to bring it in. This is a 12-volt motor slide. So you just push a button, it comes straight in, goes straight out. As long as you got a good battery, this thing should move for you. Doesn't take real long to do, just takes a few quick seconds here to get this thing all the way in. And you're done. So when it's closed up, you can kind of see here, I can still come in, get to my bedroom, could use my little bar stool area here. I could come in, get to my sink, get to my convection microwave, my stove, and my cabinetry. I'm not able to get to my refrigerator as the cabinets and stuff kind of block that off. And you're not walking back to the bathroom and the garage area. You would have to go through the rear door in the garage to do that. So if you're just stopping at a rest area and you need to go in and use the bathroom or something, you can go through the back door to get to that without having to worry about opening up the RV. Let's walk over here real quick just so you can kind of see what it looks like with the slide closed. So pretty simple. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.